Hello guys, good morning. I'm your friend Somtoo Billionaire. So today I'm going to show you something really interesting and give you update on BTC USD. So let's hop on chart. Alright, so there is one secret I want to leak for you. Every Friday, a trade normally peaks on BTC USD, and I will show you the reason why you need to always wait for your setup to peak before you do what? Before you enter a trade. Exercise patience is very important. So now on chart, this was a trade I was expecting on Friday. I noticed that every Friday around 3 p.m. a trade always peaks, and I had my setup. Now listen to what happened here. This is the setup I was waiting for. All right, now on 15 minutes time frame, and because it was 3 p.m., what did I do? I now saw a confusing setup. Remember, when you come to the market, you always see something that will look like a real trade, okay? That will make you to be losing small money. This is what we call mediocre trades. So this is my liquidity for the main trade I needed to take. All right, then I saw another of my strategy here on 15 minutes. My liquidity was there, everything was there. For people that are viewing my status, you can see when I posted this trade, because I know that every Friday Bitcoin will either pick a buy or a sell. So every Friday, check this on your chart. This is an update for you. All right, so this trade now, I now took it on 3 minutes time frame. Forgotten that, not forgetting, I still took my main trade, but this is the trade I now took. I now took this trade. I posted it on my status, and when it hit stop loss, I posted it also. So this is a mediocre trade. Why trading this week? Make sure you avoid trades like this. If market didn't come to your POI, don't do what? Don't enter a trade. Do you understand? All right, so you can see how the trade played out. I entered the trade. I just did a small scalp, because I know that I have a trade down here, and my take profit will be up here, okay, for this main trade, for this trade. But then also for this trade here. So you can see the trade has kept on moving up. Now, this is 15 minutes time frame. I now saw another trade. But the strategy I trade, I know that all these are liquidities. The main trade for you, the one you are going to take if you want to take a trade, is this trade. So for the trade we are going to take this week, which is the main trade I'm looking out for. Here is it on 4 hours time frame. You will mark it. My students will understand what I'm marking. But if you go on 1 hour time frame, I always look at higher time frames before I mark my trade, before I mark whatever I want to trade. So I saw something here, and then when I go to 1 hour time frame, I have my trade here, and this is my break of structure, and then I refine my other block. I don't do too much on chart. So I'll be taking this trade on this small candle. Then all these are going to be liquidities. Even this trade I have taken already. As you can see, this trade have given me 1:8. I don't know how many ratio your mentor is getting. So this is a real valid trade I took on Friday. So if you enter this trade with $1,000, you are up $8,000. If you entered it with $100, you are up $800. Now, for the trade you are going to take next week, this should be the trade. Okay, all these are the liquidities market is going to clear, and then pick your entry from here, and your take profit will be up there. So while trading this week, remember to manage your risk. Don't over leverage, and what you are risking in the market should be what you can afford to lose. Thank you and have a beautiful week. Remember, I'm your friend, Somtoo Billionaire. obele nwa mana ọ nọ na-eru n'okwu na nke igwe. Bye.